Hey guys, it's Eric Ham, and I'm the developer of the Catalyst theme, and I just wanted to take a few moments and explain what exactly sets Catalyst apart from the crowd. What makes it different from other premium theme frameworks out there? Well, first, if we were to look at the core of Catalyst, you'd find clean, efficient code, search engine optimization, lots of different options to control, just the basics, those things that you would expect to find in a premium theme framework for WordPress. So we cover all those in the core options and even add a few little extras. But what really sets Catalyst apart is the dynamic options and the advanced options, or another way of saying that is the dynamic child theme that comes with Catalyst, which acts as the design controls for Catalyst, and the advanced options, which gives you the ability to create an unlimited number of custom layouts, widget areas, and hook boxes to really control the framework and the structure of your site. So first, let's jump into the dynamic options. As you can see here, we've got a nice, clean, easy-to-use interface. Right now you're looking at maybe 10 options, but this entire page houses over 800 options. The way we made it, though, so you could actually use this without being overwhelmed, is group the different options into different sections based on the part of the site that you're working on. So for example, let's say you wanted to focus in on your header. Well, you click the header tab and just the header options display. And from here you can control all kinds of things like your font options, your backgrounds, borders, paddings, margins, widths. It's really pretty unlimited what you can do with these design options. And as you can see, all the different color sections have color pickers. The background options are really cool. You can not only control the type and the color, but you can also select an actual image that is integrated with the image uploader, which allows you to easily upload images from your computer to your Catalyst installation. So it just makes things super easy, no coding required, and it really gives you the ability to quickly and efficiently design your website. And then even if you do need to do a little bit of CSS coding, we've actually integrated a great little tool that we developed, a custom CSS building tool. What you can do is actually use options and spit out custom CSS. It writes the CSS for you. So you just select what you want, and then you just tell it to write the CSS for you, and you can just copy and paste that in to any kind of custom CSS, or there's actually even custom boxes where you can insert custom CSS directly into your different font options. So that in a nutshell is the dynamic child theme, or the dynamic options that you have with the Catalyst theme. So now let's jump over to the advanced options. Now that we've designed our website, now we need to structure it. One of the huge limitations that we came across when we first started developing Catalyst, when we were looking at all the other WordPress themes out there, is that so many of them are so limited in their structure and capabilities. You generally have the choice between one type of sidebar structure, and that's basically it for your entire website, and every page looks the same. What if you want to create a landing page or a newsletter page, or what if you'd like your blog page to be different from your home page or your other general pages? With Catalyst, you have the ability to create an unlimited number of custom layouts. You give them a name, select the different sidebar structure that you want, and then you can actually go forward and create custom widget areas, custom hook boxes that allow you to then select your custom layouts. You can then select what hook location, or basically location on your page, that you want this custom widget area or hook box to display in. Save your changes, and then you've created that structure that you can then assign to different pages and posts or page types. And what's awesome is that all of these functions are literally unlimited. You can just add more and more and more and just structure the heck out of your website with limitless capability. So that's the advanced options in a nutshell. Just like I said, allowing you to really take full control over the hooks and over all the different cool features that WordPress has to offer, and that most WordPress themes do not take advantage of. So that's generally what I would say makes Catalyst stand out from the crowd. And the last thing I was going to mention is we have the best, absolutely the best community out there. I'm proud to say that our Catalyst community is one of the most supportive and positive communities out there, and if you purchase Catalyst, you get to become a part of that community in the support forum. So that is another really awesome benefit of the Catalyst theme. But That's pretty much it, guys. And if you want to try Catalyst, I would really encourage you to do so because most people absolutely love it and are blown away. And if you don't like it for any reason, 30 days, shoot us an email and we'll refund your money, no questions asked. Thanks a lot, guys.